New codes, new secret abilities, innovation awards, plus codes. We have a lot of codes to redeem into this video for 30 lucky spins. 30 lucky spins. Or even more lucky spins. The first code is going to be question mark, question mark, question mark. Never mind, it's not question mark, question mark, question mark. My bad. Wait a minute, I'm doing homework. Anybody is doing the homework? Update 31W. That is the first code that you actually want to redeem. This code will give you a lot of free lucky spins. Boom! Extra touch. Extra touch better work, or the developers are liars. The developers are the liars. Is the update out or... Oh, yeah, developers are lying. Oof, developers are lying. Oof, oof, oof. Alright, now they're fixing it. Now they're fixing it. Finally. Now they're fixing it. Like, hello? Can I just, you know, can I just update 31W? There you go. Now it's working. I told you, developers. Fix your game. Fix your game. The next code is extra touch. Extra touch. Even more lucky abilities. Now we got blame. Dondrad. Dondrad? Who is Dondrad? Who is Dondrad? Is Dondrad in the room right now? Why is the game restarting 30 times? The next code is Pot Roy. 100,000 club. 15 lucky spins. Blame. Donord. So now we need the code. Where's the code at? I have to find the code in the trailer. They've pretty much hidden the code inside of the trailer. How am I supposed to find the code when it's hidden in the trailer? Okay. Vote for the Bloxy Awards. Okay, so we found the code. The code is simple. The code is vote_Bloxy. Wait, Bloxy. Vote_Bloxy. Very simple. 10 lucky spins. These are all the codes. Comment a heart emoji if you want Robux. I'm gifting Robux to my subscribers every single day of the week. If you want to win some Robux, just comment a heart emoji in the comments and you'll be entered, ready to go.